Guys, today we're going to be making this sort of car spaceship thing, because I believe in the future they will have a car spaceship thing like this, and there won't be wheels. It will be running on electricity. Yeah. Okay, and yeah, just take a proper look at it. I'll take the glasses. Fire stick off. Chunk at it. Okay, so now I have to break it and show you how to build it. It's giving me pain in the video and do this image things because the content. Wow. Okay. So first you start off with this piece. 4x4, I think it is. Like that, and then you place it here. It can be any colors. Just to tell you, let you know something. And then you put this. You put this here. I'm kind of forgetting. Oh, it was like this, wasn't it? Yeah, it was like this. Then you put that and place it down. Push it down. I was just pranking you when I said I forgot how it was. Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so you get this piece, and then you push it down onto this other piece that is basically double of it, and then you just do that 2 times. Yeah. So you want to stop. Hey, I'm cooking. Oh, no need for video. Okay, and then you push it down, and then you push it down here, and then you get it and push it down here. And then you get this piece, and let me show you what it's made of. It's made of these, 2 of these. Actually, times 2. Yeah, one on one side and the other on the other side. Make sure they're facing the right sides, and then you get this piece from before, and then put it here. Push it down. Then you get it here and push it down from the bottom. And then you get this piece. Just 2 times on back. And you get it and push it downwards. So this is the start of it. And then you get this. Oh yeah, it was up here. Yeah, up here actually, not down there, because down there, it's can't feel the leg here, and in leg would be fun, but no life it wouldn't. Okay, so you push it down there, and then you get this piece, and you get it here, and actually first you need to put this piece, and make sure there is a little 2 studs there. Oh yeah, by the way, these can be any colors you want them to. And then you basically do it on the other side. But this time it's a 4 piece. You can also just get 2 6 pieces. Yeah. You can. Okay, and then okay. Anyways. And then you get this. It's almost distracted. Okay, and then you will get this piece. This little C piece. Oh, it's slipping. Get it in and push it down. And then you get this window piece. Make sure it has these 2 studs because then later on in the video we can't fix it in. Okay, and then you get this 2 block, and then put it here, and then push it down. Make sure to push everything down so it's nice and stable. And then you get this piece, like we done from here, the same ones. And then you get this giant yellow flat piece. It doesn't have to be flat. I just found a flat piece which will look nice. And then you get this giant yellow flat piece, and that it can fit these 2. It doesn't have to fit perfectly, but yeah. Then make sure to them and push it down. Then I'm gonna want to get this and push it down. This one's longer, see? And yeah, it's basically just this. I took off the window for that because I needed to. I can just not fit. Oh yeah, because it was here. Yeah. Wait. This was here. Black seat wasn't here. This is confusing. Okay, so put the black piece on the white bit. This is very confusing. Oh, gray first, black on top. Is this actually how the video is? This is the video for part of the video, because I don't remember fully in the start of the video. And then it might be a bit wonky on the front, so yeah. Wait, I'm having a brain burst. Here, you see we needed to put it later on in the video. Because in that later on bit in the video, then we will... so yes, this is the model. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, bye guys. Just going to. Okay, that's bye. Ciao. As I say in